Hello, eIFUApp admins. Today, we're diving into the crucial steps of publishing or rejecting a document on the platform. Assuming you've already landed on the document you wish to finalize, let's get started. First and foremost, carefully review the document to ensure everything is in order. If all is set, locate the Publish button at the top left corner. Give it a click. A modal will appear, prompting you to enter your electronic signature, PIN, or the one-time password, OTP, sent via email. Enter the code and hit Confirm. Voila! The document is now published, and the page will refresh to reflect the updated status. An email notification will be sent to keep you informed. Now, in case you spot an issue and need to reject the document, head back to the top left and click Reject. Another modal will pop up, requesting the OTP. An email containing the code will be sent your way. Enter the code and proceed to confirm. This time, you'll need to provide a rejection reason. Confirm once more, and the document will be rejected. The page will reload, showcasing the new status along with your rejection reason message. And there you have it. Whether publishing or rejecting, you've successfully navigated this crucial aspect of document management on eIFUApp. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. eIFUApp is a brand of Pangea Holdings. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more eIFUApp tutorials. Have a great day.